How to attach files in AOL Mail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually attach files on the AOL Mail app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, if you want to attach the files in the AOL Mail app, it is very simple. All you have to do is to first of all make sure you have either downloaded or updated the AOL Mail app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app store, in the search box typing in AOL Mail, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the AOL Mail app, I want you to simply go over and then open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is going to look like. All you have to do is, by default, it is going to take you to the web version of the interface of the app, and you have to tap on this little inbox button at the bottom left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on this inbox button, you'll see all of the mails you have received, and in order to compose a new email, I'll just go ahead and tap on this little edit button. Now let's say whilst I'm actually composing an email, I want to go ahead and attach some files. Well, it's very simple. Let us move on to our main body over here, and you'll find this little attachment icon, which is the spin icon. Now keep in mind that you can also attach photos, but when you choose photos, they're going to be embedded and not attached. So if you want to attach a file, you simply have to choose any other file aside from photos or videos. So in order to do that, what we will do is we'll simply tap on this little pencil or this pin like icon over here, and you can see some of the attachments. Now you can just move to this tab and you can see files on this device. So go ahead and tap on the browse button. Once you go to browse over here, if I show you by selecting a particular photo, and if I tap on the option called attach over here, you can see that photo is going to be embedded into the body. But let's say now that you want to actually attach a file, not embed them, just tap on this little pin like icon again, go to this tab, tap on browse, and then select a file that you want to send or attach. So I'll just simply select this APK file, and you can see one attachment selected. Tap on the attach button, and now you can see the attachment will be added to the bottom of the screen. Now you could simply go ahead and then compose your email in this way as well. And this is it. This is how you can attach files on AOL Mail. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.